One piece.
Okay. I'm gonna do this challenge. I know it's late, but it's a late challenge, but I'm still gonna do it. Okay, so I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get my food. So we wait. Oh, about to say, she was just telling us that we waiting because we didn't have enough service, and it's not empty in here. But thank you.
We don't got no money.
Isn't that it? Oh, it's just drinks. Okay. Kimberly, say hi to my people.
40 minutes.
Yeah, we finally got her food after like 40 minutes.
Alright, this is better.
But I'm about to try this blazing hot wings. I'm scared.
I'm kind of hungry.
But I'm gonna try it though. So this is what we're eating. This is blazing hot wings and honey barbecue. It's good?
This is the Asian one. This is
Alright, so I'm about to try these wings. Alright, I'm gonna try this hot wing. I'm so scared.
I regret this already. That's what I told you.
My eyes. Whew. Oh my god, I can't do this. They were not playing when they were singing.
That is the hottest one on the counter.
Yo, my tongue is on fire. My eyes is watery already. Too much one?
Not the way you reacted to it.
What? I'm gonna finish it though.
You gonna finish it?
No, I'm gonna this one.
Oh. I'm scared to bite it now that you're reacting like that. I thought I would have tried one, but I
I
don't
want you to.
know.
I want you to. Come on, do it for the cab.
You lose one
one bite.
All right, I'll take a bite. A bite. I'm gonna that water first.
I need more water. Alright, I'm gonna finish it. I need to drink some more water. Oh my god, guys, my mouth is on fire. I should have did one. I should have did two, right?
2 pieces?
Yeah, 2 pieces and the rest in different flavors. You gonna finish one?
Huh?
You gonna finish one or you gonna just do one bite?
Ooh, one bite.
OMG. Thank you, thank you. Alright, your turn. You have to see her face.
I can stop it real quick.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm gonna try it.
Got this girl.
I'm scared by the way Anna Kay was reacting. I can't do it.
I'll do it. Don't take no little bite either.
Okay, I'm gonna do it.
That's it.
Does it hit you like after?
I guess when you was eating that before, but my first bite was crazy. That's it. No reaction. Is it hot?
Yeah, it is hot.
You're not even chewing nothing. You're taking it like a G.
All right, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Oh God, it's hot.
The way she was just sitting there like it's nothing. And she's like, it's hot, it's hot. My lips is on fire. You're really eating ice.
Now my nose is wrong.
I didn't even eat no ice. It hit you harder than it hit me, didn't it?
I'm not trying to.
You said what?
My mouth is on fire.
I could tell. He said, my mouth is on fire. Yo. Nah, it's funny. I didn't eat no ice. My mouth is on fire. You want to finish it?
No, I'm not finishing that. No,
I finished mine.
that's good for you. Oh God.
But yeah, did y'all see how she took that bite with no reaction? And then she want to show. Whew, that was funny. Then she started eating ice. Really? She's gonna wear off. Yeah. Okay. I'm going for another one.
Going for another one.
Yeah. I look like it's about to be watery, girl. Okay.
You crazy.
He said I'm crazy because I'm going for another one. But, oh boy. I'm so scared.
The fries help though.
I still want to eat it though. I'm not about to waste this. I like the skin. I take the skin off. I don't like the skin. Whew. Okay, we need more napkins. And because of blue cheese.
You crazy. My mouth is still burning.
Oh my god. I should have sold them 2 pieces. Jesus. I was trying to eat all of it, but I don't know. My lips on fire. What you gotta say?
I ain't never doing that again.
Same here, seriously. I don't like it. That's all I'm gonna say. So yeah. See y'all later.